Hey guys, we're here just doing an inspection on a house that we put under contract. We were way too busy at the time. We wholesaled it, but we also financed it and just doing an inspection to see what they're doing. As you can tell, as you walk in this house, there's a huge amount of work to be done on this one. This was actually a burnout with a big addition that had to be gutted. And we're just here doing an initial inspection to see how far along they've come. Once they get it done, it's going to be real value in this instance, but there's still a long, long way to go. One of the important things to do with this is to make sure you always stay on top of people. You have them get work done quickly and timely. This one's dragging just a little bit though. There's always great opportunity in situations like this. Hey guys, if you like this video and want more free information on owner financing, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post. Don't forget to like this post and ask me any questions on owner financing below. When you're ready to take the next step, head over to the ownerfinancenetwork.com and check out our in-depth course on owner financing.